Induction engine airflow systems. The purpose of a bell mount compressor inlet is to maximize the aerodynamic efficiency of the inlet. As manifold pressure increases in a reciprocating engine, the density of the air in the cylinders increase. The action of a carburetor air scoop is to supply air to the carburetor, but it may also increase the pressure of the incoming air by ram effect. If the turbine engine wastegate is completely closed, all the exhaust gas is directed through the turbine. What is the purpose of a turbocharged system for a small reciprocating aircraft engine? Compress air to maintain manifold pressure constant from sea level to critical altitude of the engine. On a small aircraft engine, fuel vaporization may be increased by circulating the fuel and air mixture through passages in the oil sump. During full power output of an unsupercharged engine equipped with a float-type carburetor, in which of the following areas will the highest pressure exist? Carburetor air scoop. Which of the following statements regarding volumetric efficiency of an engine is true? It is possible to exceed 100% volumetric efficiency of some engines by the use of superchargers of the proper type. When starting an engine equipped with a carburetor air heater, in what position should the heater be placed? Cold. If a fire starts in an induction system during the engine start procedure, what should the operator do? Continue cranking the engine. When an engine with a subsonic diverted type inlet duct is running in place at high speed on the ground, the air pressure within the inlet is positive. The vortex dispenser installed on some turbine-powered aircrafts to provide engine fog utilize a stream of engine bleed air blown towards the ground ahead of the engine. The purpose of sonic venturi on a turbocharged engine is to limit the amount of airflow or air that could flow from the turbocharger into the cabin for pressurization. What is used to drive a supercharger? Gear train from the crankshaft. A method commonly used to prevent carburetor icing is to preheat the air intake. Vortex dispenser systems are generally activated by landing gear switch. Boost manifold pressure is generally considered to be manifold pressure above 30. The application of carburetor heat will have what of the following effects? The mixture will become richer. The pressure between the throttle turbocharger and the throttle valve is called upper deck pressure. A carburetor air preheat is not generally used on takeoff unless absolutely necessary because of the loss in power and possible detonation. What part of an aircraft in flight will begin to accumulate ice before any other? Carburetor. Into what part of a reciprocating engine induction system is de-icing alcohol normally injected? The airstream ahead of the carburetor. In addition to causing accelerated wear, dust or sand ingested by reciprocating engines may also cause silicon fouling of the spark plugs. What directly regulates the speed of a turbocharger? The wastegate. Which of the following would be a factor in the failure of an engine to develop full power at takeoff? Improper adjustment of the carburetor heat valve control linkage. What is the purpose of a rate of change controller in a turbocharged system? Controls the rate at which the turbocharger discharge pressure will increase. If a carburetor or induction system icing is not present when carburetor heat is applied with no change in throttle settings, the mixture will become richer. Bootstrapping of a turbocharged engine is indicated by a transient increase in engine power. The differential pressure controller in a turbocharged system reduces bootstrapping during part throttle operation. What are the three basic regulating components of a sea-level boosted turbocharger system? Exhaust bypass assembly, density controller, and differential controller, pressure controller. Which of the following is a function of the differential pressure controller? It limits the maximum manifold pressure that can be produced by the turbocharger at full throttle conditions. It controls the position of the wastegate at it controls the position of the wastegate except at full throttle, fully open position. It controls all positions of the wastegate except at fully open position. What engine instrument indications may shift? What engine instrument indications may shift when a turbofan engine anti-ice bleed air system is turned on? Tachometer, EGT, and EPR. Carburetor icing on an engine equipped with a constant speed propeller can be detected by It decreases the manifold pressure with the constant speed RPM. The application of a carburetor heat during engine operation will decrease the weight of the fuel and air charge. What is the purpose of the density controller in a turbocharged system? It limits the maximum manifold pressure that can be produced by the turbocharger at full throttle. Where would carburetor air heat be located in a fuel-injected system? None is required. What methods are used to provide clean air to the engines of helicopters and turboprop airplanes that have particle, sand, and ice separators installed? Sharp air direction change to take advantage of inertia and or centrifugal force, and filter or engine inlet screens. When operating an engine, the application of carburetor heat will have what effect on the fuel-air mixture? Enriching the mixture until the AMC can make compensation. In an airplane equipped with an alternate air system, if the main air duct air filter becomes blocked or clogged, the system will automatically allow warm, unfiltered air to be drawn into the engine. Carburetor icing is most severe at temperatures between 30 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Carburetor icing may be eliminated by which of the following methods? Alcohol spray and heated induction air. The use of the carburetor air heater when it is not needed causes a decrease in power and possibly detonation. An increase in manifold pressure when the carburetor heat is applied indicates ice was forming in the carburetor. The purpose of engine inlet anti-icing system is primarily to prevent ice formation in engine and inlet areas. 95. Miss 2. Which of the following is a function of the differential pressure controller? It controls all positions of the wastegate except fully open position. What is the purpose of a density controller in a turbocharged system? Limits the maximum manifold pressure that can be produced by the turbocharger at full throttle. Density. The more air, the more denser. Just, it's packing it in like a crazy bull. What is the purpose of the density controller in a turbocharged system? It limits the maximum manifold pressure that can be produced by the turbocharger at full throttle. The density limits the maximum pressure that can be produced. It controls the air heaviness. Okay,